We are not trying to influence the corporation. I want you to comprehend Utubia. Can you turn this down just a bit? Utubia. By the way, I have nothing against the Who. Utubia can be defined as what it is not. What is Utubia not? Utubia is not a group that is trying to influence YouTube, the corporation, YouTube, and all those folks in there that run the machine. It's a corporate-run scheme, capitalistic, obviously, to make their money, and they'll make decisions which are prioritized by money. What's going to make money? How do we keep running this place because of the money? I don't care. You know, as far as Utubia president, which I am, and which Utubia is my responsibility and the responsibility of its members to uphold. Some of the time we do complain about what's happening on the site. You'll see on Utubia President, 2 weeks ago I put up a video called The Flagging Policy Controversy, How Videos Get Flagged. You know, this is the thing that bothered me a year and a half ago, and it's never been changed. When you're new on this site, like in the first couple months that you're exploring this site, and you think that YouTube is going to listen to you and change something, you soon should realize that just ain't the case. It's not going to happen. You've been warned. You've been warned for a long time. For too long, as far as I'm concerned. First, I was easy on you. I'd keep coming back, you know, but you don't learn. You can't learn. You know who I'm talking about. You know who you are. Now go away. You bother me. Neil Armstrong said, "One small step for man, one huge leap for mankind." Okay? Hello, Louis Armstrong said it himself. No, I'm not gonna bow down to your devil's advocate tactics here. But you're coming, woman. You're gonna come because you are halfway there. Don't tell me, yeah, I don't have the shekels, I don't have the money, I can't buy. It's not about that. If the pilgrims... It is about money to start something. For the first thing, you don't need the money to continue. That's the whole point. You don't need that. Just to start, just the first... She's talking about seed capital. I actually don't believe in it. You know that damn well, because you've been talking about that too. You want people to believe in you so they can give you support. The devil's ass. You want people to believe in you so nobody's going to stop me. They can give you... Any kind of support, including financial support. That's why you want people to believe in you, because you know where you are right now. You cannot do what you want to do right now. I built this thing on blood, sweat, and tears. Blood, sweat, and tears, man. That's the first capital currency that you need. That's the seed capital, which a lot of people don't understand today in this world. Even the builders of a lot of these major corporate websites. Well, they did start at a garage, which I got to hand it to them. But the point is that you got to have it. You got to have it within you. You got to have it within you. It doesn't take money. It didn't take me money to get where I am today. Yes, it did. You shut. Not a lot of money. Yes, it did. Okay, I spent everything that I earned. Tens of thousands of dollars, over $100,000 just to get to where I am. Okay, but over time, it was never a lot of money all at once. You're trying to tell people like we're going to need $1 million. No, I'm not trying to say that. That's nonsense. I'm not trying to say anything like that. Don't kill me before I get there. If I had only a few thousand shekels, I could do a lot of that, believe me. Folks, I didn't wake up, and this is what I got to put up with. Right now, the truth is, right now, you have barely money to survive, to eat, and to pay the rent. I don't know, don't embarrass me. I want to say that in front of everybody. Don't embarrass me. Listen, folks. Because you're saying things about me that are not true. And I don't want people to think that I'm materialistic and that I know how to survive
without, you know,
okay.
nothing.
I want to clarify. I got a little hot under the collar, okay, when she said that, because I thought she was doing this excuse, this cop-out, but she's not. My wife is not. I want to clarify that for everybody, okay? She's not that way. She's very loyal. She's very aware. She's highly spiritually aware of what it takes to get to the promised land. Okay? And listen, I want to just warn everybody: don't settle for less. Don't settle for the evil counterfeit. Don't go in for like the New World Order. Don't go in for all the cults. That's not the way to get out of the modern crisis that we're in. And it's certainly not toward higher capitalism. It's certainly not towards running around to different cities. Okay, a lot of us find ourselves there, but that's not where the solution is going to come out of. We're a small pocket of resistance to the beast that's there. It's a faceless, nameless, impersonal beast, and that's the problem. That is the problem. We're going against it. We're fighting it, like the Matrix. All we need is a small team to punch a hole, to bust a hole through,
We are not
and then we're going
trying
to take
to
the whole thing
influence the
down.
corporation.